And it's time for another plan with me. Are you ready to see? Are you ready to see? Hey, y'all. So here it is. We got another plan with me. And I'm very happy and ready for this particular week because this is a Glam planner kit, if you can't see by the title on the top of the stickers. And this will be the first Glam planner kit that I use in this new planner. And you know, Glam planner has I've been subscribed to her mystery kit, and this is her December 2021 mystery kit. So I've been subscribed to her mystery kit for a while, so I have a lot of her kits, so I'm very interested to see how this is going to come out. So let me show you the kit. We got lots of extras. Let me put all those down. Okay, boom. We're gonna look at the extras later. So this is her kit. In case you guys don't know, Glam Planner does use glossy paper. Super cute. I really enjoy it because I personally have a cat, so I like it. But one of the things that she gives you in the Luxe, which is what this subscription is a lot of boxes and a lot of options. So that's the 8 full boxes here. Then you get the heart checklist. Here are 2 alternative boxes as well as some sidebar stickers. And I know she is actually changing the format of her kit, so I would stay tuned for that if you're interested after seeing this. And I'll link, you know, a couple other Glam Planner videos for this on this video, so if you guys want to go check out some of the other ones, you can. So this is her functional page, which, looking at this now, I think this is different. Now that I'm looking at it, I think this is different already. That looks, I don't know, I can't really remember, it's been a minute. Okay, here is her deco and scripts. Here is her previous, I think, what was this page? I think it was a lot more of these word headers, but now she's changed it where you got these other little washi strips that you have, give you some other boxes and other little headers if you want to make your own words for it. This is what she previously called icons and littles page. So a lot of these were all with these little icons. She got rid of a lot of those and just kept a couple of them. And then here is the bottom washi and date covers. And I actually really love the bottom washi because I love these patterns. It's so pretty. Absolutely love it. So that's the main part of the kit. Then with the kit here, we do get some Fashion Girl. So she gives you a couple of different options as far as skin tone, hair color, that sort of thing. We have foil. This month's foil is in silver. Super cute. So we got overlays for the full boxes, for the bottom washi, and some of the extras. And then speaking of extras, let me pull this up here. You have a double boxing. You have more labels. And then you have your glitter header. So this is the full kit here for Glam Planner. And without further ado, let's jump right into this. All right, guys, and here is the base. So as you see, I did the underlays this time, which was a little different. I will say if you want to do this type of planning style in your planner, you had the Sadie stickers planner, start at the bottom line of the column to put your boxes down. That's the best way to line all of your boxes up, okay? Because that's what I had to learn that the hard way. So for Monday, I'm marking my 9 a.m. meeting that I have every Monday and Thursday. So I marked that using a script from Paper Trail Plans and then the little glasses from the kit. Then here, take the coffee cup and use one of the Sadie stickers snowflake deco P to put over the coffee cup because I had a lot of follow-up and a lot of emails to take care of. And then it's not in the order because of the sizes of the boxes that I wanted to use, but I end up putting cleaning the bathroom, I think. No, or did I put the yoga? See, I don't even remember, and I don't have my planner in front of me. I'm looking at my notes. I think I put cleaning the bathroom first and then yoga. So some of the little circle foiled icons, I got those also from Glam Planner, and they are from when she first started to release like foil bundles in her shop. So I had gotten the basic 3, and then as she went along, she like introduced some other ones, and then right after that, like I said, I put yoga, and that yoga script is from Lilac Plans. Also, while I was on my lunch that day, I did have to run a couple of errands. So I took the box and used the errand script from Lilac Plans as well, and made my own checklist inside the box. So I had to go to the post office and Whole Foods, and I also had to go grab a new recycling bin. Of course, while I was out, what did I get? I got Starbucks. Hello. And the Starbucks script is also from Lilac Plans. And then here at the bottom, I'm marking that I started binging again, Grey's Anatomy. So I use a Netflix binge sticker, like script sticker, yes, from Lilac Plans. And then the laptop that you'll see me place down momentarily is also from Lilac Plans. On to Tuesday, of course I had to work, so I just wasn't going to work it. I wasn't going to mark it again. But I had to call and get my a nail appointment ASAP, because over the weekend I had to clean and I kept hitting my finger. So I ended up like cracking my nail in like the middle of my nail bed. It wasn't as bad because I did it before, like 2 years ago. On the other hand, oh my God, it was that. Now that was terrible. And I was mad because this is my birthday too. So I ended up being able to get a nail appointment that day. So I was super excited to get a nail appointment. I think my nail appointment was for after work. So I was excited about that. I don't even know what I'm putting down here. I'm just going to kind of go through the day. So I was on Instagram, I think, heavy this week, which is pretty bad because I set myself up to for my phone to go on focus mode when I'm at work. So I mean, it has some notifications, but I'm gonna have to like either turn my phone off or like leave it upstairs or something. Like something's gonna have to give because it's just too much. I know I did talk to Babe when he got home, and what else did I do? Talked to Babe. I had to go get my nails done. I did yoga again because I was finishing up the 30-day challenge. I've been slacking, so I think I'm gonna do it again because I really didn't keep up with it. I also posted on Mercari and got another sale, which was great. Super excited about that. We had tacos, so I put that on one of her little washi strip things in there. I don't even know, it's something. And then his friend actually saw this like game, real nostalgic, and ordered it for him. So we played it. The game is called 24. So if you guys remember that game, let me know down in the comments below, because we did a couple of rounds and I was just like, okay, that's enough because I'm tired, because work was on the bean that day. Wednesday, I placed an order for a Target pickup, so I went to go do that. I was going to go ahead and film this day. Ended up not feeling like it, and yeah, that was it. While I was out, also had a couple more errands. Again, I went to Starbucks, of course, and then I also had to go to Michael's and UPS. After finishing work, I did talk to my sister-in-law on the phone. We was just like playing catch up. And then I also printed some of my inserts that I needed for my A5, as well as watched Naturally Sunny on YouTube while I was doing that. So on to Thursday, I'm marking again our 9 o'clock meeting that I have every Monday and Thursday. So I'm marking it the same exact way. And I was mad because the sticker, like the little accent thing at the end, like broke off. So I ended up going back and like putting it on there because I don't know, it just looked a little weird when I was just trying to put the little alarm clock down. So, and excuse the bonnet is making her appearance there. So yeah, I had to, what else I had to do this day? I had to update the patient safety officer on some events that I, was finishing up my investigations, started my potential claim files. I did end up filming a plan with me that day, and then also some of the intros for the next couple of plan with me so I can start laying down the base. And y'all, one day I will actually like show y'all laying down the entire base. Like one day I will. I promise you I will. It's just I think what I'm gonna have to do is like break up laying down the base and then putting down a day-to-day, because that takes a lot. Okay? A lot of energy. And especially because I've done it a few times and I want to try to get in a better habit of doing it all the time, but I don't pull. I have all the stickers that I want to use, but I don't pull specifically what I'm going to use for each of my things that I'm marking in the planner, if you get what I mean. So I mean, it's like sometimes I feel like the added effort will be worth it in the end. I mean, it is, because I've done it before, but even still, it's just kind of like, do I feel like it? Nope. So, y'all pray for me. Pray for me. So yeah, and then I kind of like made up dinner this day. I don't even remember what it was that I came up with, but he was like, "Oh babe, that was good." So it kind of worked out for me here. And then lastly, I'm marking going to bed early, and then I used the little slippers that came in the kit deco to mark that with the bed early script from the kit as well. On to Friday. Oh, thank the Lord. So I closed all my investigation for an event that I had. I also had some errands again to do on my lunch that day. My brother had a couple of places he needed to go, so I took him around, which included like the P.O. box and Walgreens as well. I ended up seeing my little cousin. She actually was at my mom's house when I was dropping my little brother back off. So we hugged. She's like, "Joia, hi." I know, cause she a little workaholic now, like child. And then I was hurt because my damn period came. I'm like, and I mean, I knew it was coming, but still, I'm just like, sick of this. Sick of it. um, that was so funny. I was steady called thinking I'm putting down the sticker and it was the wrong way. That was funny. But that like rounded half box is the mark I had a nutrition appointment that day. And then I just put TGIF because I was so glad that it was Friday. That TGIF script is from Lemon and Honey Studio. On to Saturday, I actually got up early that day, which was quite surprising. I was getting ready because I had a couple of errands again to run that day. And stuff started falling apart in the bathroom again. And I'm just like, are you freaking kidding me? So I used the house sticker from Paper Trail Plans. That is a custom that I had made. I did go and I sold some clothes to a consignment shop. I have never really done it before, but it kind of annoyed me because it's a dress that's currently listed on my Mercari shop and even on my Poshmark, and I'll link both of those down for you guys. And literally it was worth $12 to them. And I'm just like, yeah, no, because the price that I put, I'm already losing money on what I paid for it. And I'd be damned if it was going for $12. I said, no. So I was quite annoyed about that. And then after that, I needed to go to Best Buy because my phone has been, like, y'all been hearing me talk about my phone. It was getting on my nerves. Well, they let you make the appointment, but the person that actually looks at the phone didn't work on the weekend. They didn't have anybody. So if I would have gave them my phone, I would have been without a phone until they got back. And since Monday was a holiday, it would have probably been at least till Tuesday. And I'm just like, yeah, no. So I ended up having to, I ended up leaving and just end up booking another appointment another day. I was so freaking annoyed. So I was tired. And I was hungry because I didn't get no food yet. So yeah, it just wasn't fun. So the rest of the errands I had to go to the post office, stopped at Target, ended up in Aldi, got me a cute little, I think it's a 2-quart Dutch oven. It's so cute. Of course, I went to Starbucks. You already know. I went to Goodwill. Then I did have to go grocery shopping. So I marked the grocery shopping with the little grocery bag icon out of the kit. Then I got home. I made us pizza because I bought like one of the like frozen pizzas, and I kind of like decked it up for us to eat for lunch that day. After the pizza, sis had to lay down. I was tired. Like I told you, I was tired. I did clean up a little bit, and then it was bedtime, and that was really it. Oh, so on the sidebar, I put that sticker, the happy birthday sticker, like layered like that because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I had like a bunch of birthdays each of those days, and I was just like, I didn't want to put all of their names in the actual column itself because it was just so many of them. So I just said I'll put it on the sidebar. So yeah, did that. I was urged. Sunday, I was up at 3:30. I'm like, why the F am I up? Why? So I ended up watching YouTube until I fell back asleep. And then eventually I got back up at like 9 something. Of course, made breakfast. This day was also the day that I wanted to do my hair. And y'all, I don't know about you, but sometimes washing, deep conditioning, and styling my hair can take like 3 hours max or more, not even max, plus. It took me an hour and 15 minutes. I was like, yo, can I have a wash day like this every time? But I think also too, I did not prolong having the deep conditioner in. Like after I sat under the hooded dryer and then I let it cool down before I rinse, I didn't start doing other stuff which would then prolong me keeping it in. So I was excited. That style hair script is also from Paper Trail Plans. I started watching Grey's Anatomy again during the day. I did log into work and did a little bit because I wanted to kind of like be caught up since Monday. I think I was back on consoles. Yeah, I was back on consoles. I wanted to play a little catch up. Well, not really catch up, but kind of get ahead of the game for Monday. So here I'm showing you guys everything that is left. I will be using this in my A5 to pre-plan, so you'll be seeing more pictures of this again. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.